here shortly, probably.
Right on. Probably knew I was coming and took off. Oh, fuck, it's the 663 Pipe Schmitters. Look at that. It's the local 663 Pipe Schmitters, boys. Only if the friggin' price is right, or whatever the fuck he said.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how you doing?
Good, good, good.
Oh, I gotta give you a little bit of a stern talk.
That's good.
This is too long. You made this too long. See that, Mark?
Okay.
Why would you do that?
I don't know, you must tell me.
So then, we gotta, I was wondering, maybe we could change this end up, right? Because,
What's that?
oh, it's for my probation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no worries. But this has gotta come, so this has gotta come straight up. So then, but this has gotta come, this has gotta, it can't be like that because there's a thing in the way here, right? So we gotta, if we had one of the ones, maybe like you got these ones that have like a little stick on them, like see how like this one's got a little stick or whatever, or like this one, or you know what I mean?
Yeah, the problem is I have to use different fittings for that.
Oh no.
Yeah, these are the
A different kind?
yeah. I don't even know if I have any that.
Oh no. But the other thing we could do is just get like another 90 so we could attach it like this, right? Feel me?
I have some small ones here. Why don't I have big ones? Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Too much big. Another 3 or 7 more years, I might be done my truck, buddy.
What are you building anyway?
Oh, just a dumb fucking mail truck or a bread truck type thing. Oh no.
All right, so that don't work. So what how can you do to fix this?
So if this came like that, that would be another option. So if we had a 90, another, you know, some sort of
Another 90?
yeah, but like it could be like, you know, we could do the 90 like this, right? And we could just do pipe thread to pipe, you know, a male to female pipe thread
You
90.
want to go backwards now? Oh, I see.
Because like, you know, I got a air dryer right here, right?
Okay.
So this is coming in, so it's just got to go into the air dryer. But the air, you know, there's a bunch of shit. There's like stuff like this in the way.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So you need a 90.
Pipe thread 90, male to female. But I mean, we still have to shorten this though, so we still need this end. Literally 1,200,000 million fittings in here, except for the one that I need. Oh, I apologize. I should just take like 2 or 3 each one of these home, and then I would have them when I need them. Oh yeah,
That's it?
that might work.
Sure, eh?
Oh, I hope so. I'm pretty brain damaged though, so. Do they have any of them 663 pipe fitters come over here getting hoses made or anything?
Ah, we do some work for them.
Every once in a while. The price has got to be right though, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. That'll hold at least 200 psi. Hopefully it's the right length now. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean. Thank you very much, sir.
Right on, appreciate it.
Hope it works for you.
Yeah, me too. Holy shit. Have a nice day. Check that out. Took the old housing, mounted one of these bastards into it. Instead of dicking around and putting 2 and having to make a plate and stuff, I just you know, mounted that guy in there, a couple screws, put the freaking cover back on. Decent painting, and then it'll just look rich, and it'll just look like we got like the headlight upgrade, but like, you know, you'll look at this thing driving down the road and you'll be like, oh, that's just an old shitty van. And then no one will be in the Wisner. You know what I mean? No one will be the Wisner until I try to hit the turn signal and brake at the same time. But I got the pig dinks to hook up the reverse lights, so we can do that anyway. They should work. They're not interco-twangled in any way, so there shouldn't be any reason why they don't flish or flash. But anyways, I'll piece this nonsense back together and maybe we'll run a wire. I don't know. We can wire a couple together and we can figure some other stuff out. It'll be great. You know what I mean? Maybe we'll put some different places. I want to take these off and put some there too, so there's always that. But anyways. Of course, I got to take them all apart to nut and bolt them to the friggin' son of a bitch, but just make sure everything fits and is copacetic. Yeah, man, decent. Mucho blurgence. We got our pig dinks. Yeah, they call them pigtail. They're pig dinks. Stupid. You know what I mean? Air compressor's hooked up. I got the air filter action. I ended up having like a plug and I just knocked the end out of it and epoxy glued that sumbitch into there because of course it wasn't the right end and I didn't have a 3 adapter that would work and I wanted to get that on there. But you can see the hood cigarette right there is I'm gonna have to trim that corner off zinc, so we'll just, you know, unscrew this guy here and cut that corner off there, and then that'll give us the clearance because the engine will move up and down a little bit and that thing will just bust right off there probably. But yeah, that's pretty freaking awesome. And get our friggin' some of our wires cleaned up here a little bit, and still gotta take the guy off and put that underneath the guy. I don't know what happened there, but we'll just undo that and switch that wire around, put my lid on the guy, and then yeah, we can run a line down to the tank now. Still haven't dicked with the blinkers, but I mean, I'll show you under here just quick though, because good lord, right? But oh shit. Right, so try to figure that out. I mean, everything's labeled, but cranky sacks, you know what I mean? Cranky sacks, but anyways, just picking. Working tail lights. I guess we should push the brake and make sure that they stay on. It's the clutch, dum-dum. So like if you don't f around, the brake lights work. And suckling carrot. So we can see what we're doing. And we're friggin' sucking carrots, eh? And the air compressor. And here turning on and on. We still got to hook up rear lights. You know, we got the Marmaduke lights, headlights, no bullseye, no ejection seat, and that's it. So we need rear lights, bullseye, and ejection seat, and the rest is all hooked up. Interior lights, air compressor, headlights, driving lights. Yeah. And then that's all kind of sort of buttoned up there. We got the wiring and the regulator, or not the regulator, the pressure gauge, the friggin', you know, filtration, water separator, whatever you want to call it, and then the switch. Well, if we don't have brakes or blinkers, we should have flashers relentless. Hey, those turned out not too bad. Probably. They're just like all dickered, all different. all different Compawampas. Just willy-nilly flisher flasher terrible, but you know, I'll put some on the back, and yeah, I mean, you shouldn't miss that. That's pretty bright, I think. Not too bad. But yeah, figure while we're dicking around, we'll freaking dick around a little bit. Not too bad. Still gotta, you know, wire it all up in accordance, but just got the fronts on for now. Started cleaning up. I was gonna clean up, and then next thing you know, I got, you know, distracted doing this and that. Figure might as well hook some stuff up. It'd be awesome. That's what I figured, and you know, it's pretty awesome. We'll get a little more done and a little more done, and then eventually there'll be no more stuff to get done. Probably. That'll probably never happen, but there'll always be something to do. You know what I mean? But the way things are looking, this might end up being my house. You know what I mean? Might end up just living in it. Sell inwood and all my shit and just fucking quit. Problem is, I'm in Canada and it's cold here, and I don't want to live in a van in the cold, so we gotta figure out a way to go to America. Probably just cross at the reservation or something, you know what I mean? Anyway, it's just something I've been thinking about. Smoke cigarettes.